Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you send from Revolut to Gcash. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Revolut application and then log into your account. So I'm going to just log into mine. So once I've logged into my account here, so what you have to simply have to do if you want to send to a Gcash account, so click on the transfer option here. So go to the transfer tab and then tap on the plus new option here on your top right, and here all you have to do here is you just have to type in your you can always add a contact and then add your Gcash contact and then send it to them. Or what you can do, you can just type in your alright, so what you have to do, just split type in add new recipient and then click on contact, and then here enter the registered Gcash account name and then the Gcash number. So make sure you enter the registered Gcash phone number. Alright, so enter their Gcash number and then click on add, and then all you have to do now is just simply you can simply just type in that Gcash number and then complete the transaction. So just type in the number. I don't have any Gcash contacts here, so I'm unable to show that, but make sure that the person you're sending to has access to Gcash, so the receiver. So just type in the Gcash number and then complete the transaction. Alright, that's how it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.